Florence, Kentucky. Entry-level ramp deck system into a business, commercial. Wood is severely sun damaged. Not severely. Severely down here, moderately up the rest of the ramp. Entry point severely damaged, moderate damage moving up the rest of the ramp. Rails are a non-anchored rail system put on with fasteners. So nails, sturdy but not strong. Recommend of braces at post that meet the floor. Severe sun damage. Top of rails, 2x4. Top horizontal surface is severely damaged. Area underneath the shading, very minimal sun damage. Smooth boards. Deck suffers from loose fasteners. As soon as sun starts, the deck shows damage. Splitting, cracking, coupling. The posts of the deck system are unremarkable. They show minimal wear. Some of them are kicked out to where this one is adding no support. It's lifted up off the ground. It's unremarkable in nature, has small checking at the top. This one is a support. This one has support. It has checking. This one is supporting. Minor checking. Cross members. All in good health, unremarkable. Mildew growth is the only remark that I have for these. System has mildew growth at board edges and loose fasteners as well on the exterior. Recommendation is for this replacement of first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boards on this ramp here. The rest of them can be saved via epoxy repair and coating. So come in, add braces, set loose nails, replace boards, add epoxy in areas where there's large cracks and gaps but the board is otherwise healthy. This board has a crack. It's all the way through across the board. This board would get replacement. So 8 boards replaced. Very, very simple. Braces, set loose fasteners, replace boards, maybe add some supports here that connect these railing systems together. Wash thoroughly and coat. Price point: existing customer that has already bought a deck system from us. Our entry level point is $3 grand. That will be waived, and a $2,200 fee will be put in its place. $800 discount for existing customer.